What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me on my second video on Blip This. I recently got this Samsung Note 8 and I gotta say this thing is impressive. It is super smart. Now the reason why I say that is because it has its own intelligent assistant made by Samsung and the name is called Bixby. So Bixby is Samsung's newest assistant that is capable and I believe is even smarter than Siri. And in some degree, it's more capable than Google Assistant. Now, I want to demonstrate that really quick to show you some of the features that I use most often every day in order to have a smartphone that is able to work with my life. All right, and you'll see what I mean. So let me just go through all the commands that I usually do, and you can decide for yourself if you think this is smarter than Siri or not. So check it out. Hi Bixby. Play Frank Sinatra. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool. So I've set the volume down so you're not going to hear anything, so I can get through this video and show you all the commands that it can do. So the next command is, hi Bixby, close this app.
Sure, I closed the app.
Now, if you tried that with Siri, Siri would tell you that it's unable to do that for you. And I sort of think that's too bad. That sucks. Now, here we go. Hi Bixby. Optimize my phone.
Okay, optimizing now.
So this function obviously optimizes the phone by clearing any junk that you don't really need.
I've optimized your phone's maintenance status.
There you go. And it just runs through the program to optimize the performance, the battery, the memory, the storage, and the device security. Okay? So the other function that I like to do that Siri is able to do as well is to set reminders, create calendar events, and things like that. So that's nothing new. You can do that as well on the Bixby. What Siri can't do and Bixby can do is manipulate the software, the screen. It can mimic your touches. Like for instance, check this out. Hi Bixby. Search dogs on the internet. There you go. And so you can see that it actually goes into Google and searches dogs. Now, what I'm saying is that when you can manipulate the screen as if you were touching it is this command. Hi Bixby. Scroll down. Isn't that cool? When I first discovered this, I thought this was the coolest thing. Because I'm used to using Siri. I've been using iPhone since the iPhone 3GS. And, I've never seen a phone this capable before. Also, when it launches the internet, it uses Samsung's internet browser, which works well with Bixby, as you can see here. Hi Bixby. Night mode on.
Got it. It's enabled.
So, if you're reading things on the internet, on the browser during night, in the dark room, you just turn night mode on and just ask Bixby to do that. The best thing about Bixby as well is that it can manipulate system settings right off the bat. So let's say I'm going to turn this back on to day mode, and then as well as I'm going to turn the brightness up. Hi Bixby. Turn off night mode.
Okay, it's off.
Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Turn brightness up another 10%.
Sure, I've changed it to 55%.
Perfect. And now, since the brightness is up 55%, and you can see that it's, I've adjusted the screen. And let's say, for instance, that I wanted to jump to one of my bookmarks, okay? I can always just say, hi Bixby, show me my bookmarks.
Okay, here it is.
There it is. So these are just some stock bookmarks, which are kind of interesting. Hi Bixby, close this app.
All right, I've closed the app.
So the best thing also, as well as if you really want to close all the applications that you've recently opened, you can do that too. You can say, hi Bixby, close all my recently opened apps.
Sure, I've closed all our recently used apps.
Boom. So this also works with YouTube. You can do, hi Bixby, search dogs on YouTube. And there you are.
Okay, here are the search results on YouTube.
And with search results, Bixby can also do relative positions with your fingers. So let's say, for instance, I want to click that third video right there. I'll go, hi Bixby, click the third video. And boom, there it is. Now, let's say that I'm stuck on portrait mode and I'm unable to, do auto rotate. So I'll turn on auto rotate. And you can just do that quickly by saying, hi Bixby, turn on auto rotate.
Okay, I changed it.
So now it's on auto rotate. If I auto rotate it, oops. Oop. I think it was playing. So you can see the auto rotate indicators on here. I guess I'll have to hit play first. Anyway. There you go. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. So we'll close that out. And now let's do some other things. Let's get Bixby to send a photo. Now, you want to check this out? Check this out. Hi Bixby. Show me food pics.
Sure, here are 70 pictures.
So these are 70 photos of food pics. And let's say, for instance, I want to send my friend the fourth picture, the fourth last picture. All right? So I'll just say this. Hi Bixby. Send the fourth last picture to Angela on WhatsApp. So it selects the fourth last picture, goes through WhatsApp, searches for Angela.
All right, we can send this
And get it
message
sent.
when you're ready.
Now try that on Siri and that will never work. So that's amazing. Now, this is not to bash Siri or anything, but I'm just saying because I've been using Siri for a long time and there is no way that Siri can do this. And when I figured this out, like I said, my mind was blown how well this assistant can function throughout the software. Now, Siri's also capable of doing, Bixby's also capable of doing a lot of other things, like taking a selfie automatically, scanning business cards, things like that. So check it out. Hi Bixby, take a photo of this. And what it'll do is launch the camera app, and then it'll take a photo of whatever, if you were in selfie mode or if you were on the back
We've
camera,
taken the picture.
and it'll just take a photo automatically. You can also get it to flip the camera and adjust other settings with it. So for instance, hi Bixby, turn HDR off.
Okay, HDR is now off.
There you go. But I'm going to keep that on auto. And you can say, hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Flip the camera. Okay.
Done. It's now set.
There you are. So you can do any settings you want to do. Wide selfie settings, you want to do anything, you can just get it to do it. The best part here as well is you can ask Bixby anything about your phone status. So I'm going to ask Bixby what my current battery percentage is. Hi Bixby, what's my current battery percentage?
It appears the estimated battery life is about 14 hours for minutes.
There you go. That's kind of cool, right? So that's about all that I want to show with Bixby and right now, because I don't know any other commands that you guys would like me to try on it, and we can do that on my next video. So right now I'm going to show you the last command that I usually do, and that is, hi Bixby, shut down phone.
You can tap or say power off to turn your phone off.
Power off. There you go. And that's it. So I'll catch you on my next video. Comment down below any commands that you would like me to try on Bixby, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.